All right, Joe Bartels with Casey Floorworks. Got Money Mike with us. We wanted to see what the difference would be between like a regular roller and one specified just for epoxy, and it was impressive in a bad way. So they sell these non-shedding rollers, and over here you can see Super Glass Smooth. Over here you can see there is a lot of fibers, and it's just because compared to paint, all of these are just fibers from the roller. Compared to paint, the epoxy is so thick it just pulls the fibers out. So definitely don't skip out on cheap equipment. Don't skip out on even roller frames, or not frames, roller skins. So it's everywhere though. But this color is pretty cool. Color turned out great. But we got big chunks, little chunks. So make sure you get the right team with the right equipment. No shortcuts. Otherwise you will not be happy.